Do not mind me having my shirt off, you know, showing the gains. So I want to review the Wamir RD75. I just got this keyboard. I didn't get it too recently. I got it a little while ago, but you know, I want to give a in-game interview, you know, whatever. So for people who might want it. So shots. Ooh, camera angles. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. So I got this keyboard in black because I feel like it would match my setup, you know. Black mouse. I might make a review on this mouse. Let me know if y'all want that. I know it's an outdated mouse. Y'all probably already seen 1,000 reviews on it, but you know, just in case somebody wants to get it. So yeah, this design right here, it's not horrible. It reminds me of like some type of music thing, so I don't really get what it means, but it looks pretty cool. I like that. You can see the RGB through there. This keyboard is pretty heavy, like I'm not gonna lie, like that's pretty hard to carry, and I've been in the gym, you feel me? Anyways, the aluminum case, I don't remember what switches, not gonna lie, but that's all right. But it is very stable on all the keys. I have been playing games on it, you know. I really do like this keyboard. It's very what do you call it, balanced. Yeah, I heard it's very customizable, but this is my first keyboard in the custom keyboard scene, so I don't really know, you know, I don't really know how to do any customization on it or feel like I need to, because I am a basic guy. So yeah, I'm fine with this. If you do want to customize it though, I heard this keyboard is good for customizing. So yeah, that's good about this. But you hear that though? Immaculate. So yeah. But yeah, that's all for that. I don't really know what I'm gonna upload on this channel. Don't expect more keyboard videos or technology videos. I do like technology, but I also like other things. That's why I didn't name it David Tech, David, Abeka, you know, whatever. So yeah, Abeka out.